things I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the Day. It is Friday, TGIF. I can't believe it. We got CPI coming out in 25 minutes. We're probably going to get a move, so I want you to be prepared. All right, we're going to be bullish above 674.50 for the SPY today. 675 is another level. All right, but we haven't been there, so there should be some sellers there. It gets a little bit more complex to trade when we get close to big $5 levels. But this thing could move. The algos are turned off. A lot of them are this morning, so we could get some pretty big moves before the market even opens. Bear below 670. Yeah, I went below these recent two dark pool levels that we got. So we'll be bear below 670. Let's head on over to the IWM. Bullish above 248.50. And we're going to be bear below 244. All right. Another level we can use this morning is 249.25. Bullish above. Today's one of those days where you need like 4 or 5 levels just so we can prepare. Bear below 244. The bear below levels are pretty low, so I think we're pretty good on that though. Let's go to the QQQ. Bullish above 614.50, 615, 616. 2 other levels you can use today. Bear below 611. Let's go to the E-minis. We had another massive whale yesterday at 67.53. All right, so to keep that in mind, I use that as our last target to the downside. You can see right here. If we do go down, they'll play whale pong. But bullish above 68.05, 68.0750, 68.10, all good levels to use today on the upside. Bear below 67.8250. Let's head on over to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 25.425. We're still good on that one. All right, 24.450 is another good level. Bear below 25.240. Yeah, there was a pivot in the way. Normally I like to use that 50 level. Let's check out oil. This is super hot 2 days in a row. We'll see if oil can continue to climb. Oil futures bullish above 62.25. We already went up and hit the 50 level. Hold on a second. Let me just bring in my Thinkorswim because this is, in real time here. Bullish above 62.50. All right, we just hit it, pulled back. If we do go up there again, bear below 61. Let's head on over to gold futures. Bullish above 4,100 today. Just zoom in here. There's a nice pocket right there. Bear below 40.65. If we do turn around, I do expect to hit these guys. All right, let's go to Bitcoin futures. They're looking pretty interesting. We do have a little bit of a brick wall right here on the pivots. Wanted to show you that. That's why we're bullish above it, 112.225. Yeah, if we can break above this pivot here, there's a pretty big pocket. Bear below 110,000. Let's check out Intel after earnings trade. Oh my goodness. Yeah, sometimes those lottery ticket trades work out. This one might. A couple of us are in this crazy lottery ticket we put on like a year ago. Crazy, but good earnings. I don't know. We'll see how it trades today. Bullish above 42. That was earlier. Let me just see. Since we pulled down, we might be able to change that level. Maybe not. Maybe 41.25. Yeah, above the VWAP. You always want to go above today's VWAP. If we do, maybe $41.25. Bear below 40.50. We haven't triggered that yet. We'll see if if it triggers their bear trade. Let's go to our next one, BITF. Bitfarms, bullish above 475, bear below 394 for BITF. This one had a very highly unusual volume pre-market, which is why it made the list. Tesla, what a move it had yesterday. That was an insane trade. We hit targets to the downside yesterday and a huge retracement trade. That 450 level, very powerful. So bullish above it, bear below 442. Let's check out QuantumScape. Second day in a row with pre-market volume. It had earnings yesterday. Bullish above 1520, bear below 1425. Let's check out NVIDIA, bullish above 183.55. Yep, there's a pivot in the way there. Let's see if it can pull above. 184 is another good level. Bear below 181. BMNR has been splashing since we had those 10 million prints. Let's see if we test those prints today. Bullish above 5150. So I went above one of them in this trade. I like to explain the trades because if you understand them, you'll be more apt to take them. So I went above this first print, 5150, but used the second one as a target because they do like to play print pong. When we have a day of move, that's if we go above these prints, then we may get a huge move. But today looks like it might be a test day. Bear below 48.50. Let's check out IBIT. Bullish above 63.50 today and bear below 62. Next, we've got CIFR. Coast is clear, bullish above 1875. And then we have bear below 1675. And then we have SoFi. Bullish above 29. Is today going to be the day of move? Maybe. Bear below 2750. Remember, we had that massive 9 million print the other day. We tested it yesterday and we bounced back up. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. There you have it. Those are your whispers for Friday. Until next time, come and check out our trading rooms. Go to thedarkpools.com. Happy trading, everybody.